Hi there, Travis from Trifacta, and today I'm excited to show you a new feature in our Dataprep product on Google, and that's BigQuery Pushdown. Let's take a look. The current workflow for users is to log in to Dataprep through IAM, securely accessing their data from BigQuery, cloud storage, or a variety of other sources. After making their transformational steps within Dataprep, they can then execute that at scale on Dataflow, publishing those results to BigQuery for downstream consumption in a variety of tools. Now, with BigQuery Pushdown, we have the ability to execute those same transformations, but on BigQuery, using SQL statements and creating external tables from our GCS sources. This has many benefits for the users, including up to 20 times performance boost over Dataflow, resulting in a lower cost of ownership for the customer. Let's see this in action. What we see here is our line item table from BigQuery that we've brought in. I'm going to add another source from Google Cloud Storage. This is my orders CSV. This will be used to bring in additional information into my analysis. Let me go into my recipe for my line items. And I'm going to simply add a join to bring in that additional data from my orders CSV from cloud storage. Again, demonstrating that we can do this BigQuery pushdown from both cloud storage and BigQuery sources. Here I will select the fields that I need for this particular analysis, excluding those that I don't need, adding order priority, the name of the nation as well as the region. I'll review those changes and add this step to my recipe. Okay, the next transformation that I want to do is to add a conditional statement, an if-then statement, and this is to capture the potential lost revenue from giving discounts to high priority items. So I'm going to say if my order priority matches the urgent or the 1 priority level, then I will calculate the extended price multiplied by the discount, and this is going to be I will call this my lost revenue. Now we will add this step to our recipe, and the next transformation that we'll do is to do a group by to sum this lost revenue calculation, and I'll group this by my national and regional names. Now I don't want this necessarily in a new table, so I'm going to add this to the existing table as a new column. Okay, this looks good. Again, just an example of the transformations we can do, but now comes the fun part of running this and executing this job at scale after I've created these simple 3 recipe steps. So I'll click this run button. This is publishing to a new BigQuery table called lost revenue, and I'll go ahead and run this and see what happens. All right, we see now that Trifacta is executing this on BigQuery. I can click this button here to view that SQL in action. Here we can see that Trifacta has actually created this external table from my CSV source, as well as constructed this SQL statement to do the join, the group by, as well as this case statement for those urgent priority cases. Jumping back into Dataprep, we can see that this job is completed. I can also have the option to view that final BigQuery table product on BigQuery itself. Here I can see that we've created this new lost revenue table. I can see the details. So in summary, we can see that we've taken a BigQuery table, a Google Cloud Storage CSV file, constructed some simple transformational steps, and then pushed that logic to BigQuery for execution.